There's a viral fat loss formula that's been floating around the internet, and it's one that I've seen a number of my clients use almost exclusively as their main form of exercise, and it works really well. I've seen a bunch of them lose over 30 pounds in less than 4 months. Obviously, there's nutrition changes and recovery changes they're making as well, but I want to walk you through it because it's so straightforward, and I think it's one that you'll find useful. It's really, really simple. It's a treadmill workout. It's called the 12, 3, 33. The last 3 is my spin on it and what I've seen work best for clients. And as I'm going through this, if you like this type of format, the whiteboard style where I just walk you through something raw, please drop a comment below or an emoji, whatever. Let me know if you love it or you hate it. If people like it, I'll do more of these and maybe even go on lives to help people. The 12 is the incline of the treadmill. The 3 is the speed. You can see where this is going. The 30 is the time. And the last 3 is the days of the week. And the reason this works so well is obviously there's simplicity to it, but then you have these variables that you can adjust depending on where you're at with your goals, right? So you may decide to start with a lower incline. You may start with a slightly slower speed. You may do a little bit less time. Maybe you just try it 1 day a week for starters. But this works more efficiently for burning fat than other forms of cardio because it does have cardio as a component. But the other thing is, because you're walking at an incline, the incline is probably the most key piece of this because otherwise you're just going for a 30-minute walk. You're getting strength training as well because you're activating the biggest muscles in your body, in your legs, and muscles the most metabolically active tissue in your body. So you're elevating your metabolic rate by doing this, more so than you would if you were going for a run at this speed on flat ground. The other thing that this is really low impact. So when I've worked with clients that either have injuries, maybe they've tweaked their knees or their hips or their back bothers them, or they just have a lot of weight to lose, this tends to be a really accessible way to ease into both cardio and strength training at the same time. And because you're doing both, it's very time efficient, right? Most people that I work with, super busy professionals, parents, they're overwhelmed. They do not have time to go to the gym. And so this is a really effective form of exercise. Obviously, you do need access to a treadmill to do it in this calculated way, but you could even go out and do hills or you could do stairs. I just wanted to share this because it's so effective and it's so accessible and it's so straightforward. I recommend trying this 1 day a week and just see how you feel. And then if you need to adjust any of these variables here on top, as long as you're getting the incline to some degree, I think that's really the variable that differentiates this compared to other forms of cardio or even strength training. Like I said, if you like this type of format, you want more of these whiteboard videos where I just walk you through a key framework in a couple of minutes, definitely let me know. This one's super effective, so I highly recommend trying it if you're trying to lose some weight, and I'll see you on the next one.